Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm gonna do a tutorial. As from the thumbnail that you have seen, this is one of my most creative ponytail at this point. Not on the hair, but on the ponytail itself. So I was doing a regular ponytail and I decided that I want to put a little touch to it, and I didn't know what to do. So I started braiding, and then this idea of making a small braid and wrap it around a ponytail and make a pattern on it. And oh my god, I tried it and it came out as bomb as ever. And I was even worried about her hair density because, guys, I know you see the length she has and the density, but her hair is really nice, guys. I was hoping that I don't feel sleeking all this hair down, but you know, the magic fingers, as they always say. I gotta let it work even for one moment. So as you see, guys, I'm doing my regular technique where I part the hair at least an inch or half inch wide, and I apply some wax to the hair root only, because remember, no, we don't want to add too much products to her hair to make her hair too clammy. The less wet product, I should say, in her hair, especially because it's relaxed hair, the less wet product, the sleeker you'll get the hair to lay down. Some persons probably use gel like eco styling gel to do ponytails. I've tried it before, but it does work and it does lay the hair nicely, but the wax and the got2b spray give the hair a sleeker finish. So I'm always gonna use my got2b spray and my wax. Edge control can be used also, and you have beeswax. I see stylists use beeswax and the got2b spray, and it gives a very sleek finish. So whichever product you want to try, but just try the same technique where you section the hair and part it at least an inch or almost an inch wide and sleek it down row by row. Doing this, your entire ponytail will be sleek. Alright guys, so the left side is complete. I'm gonna go in and complete the right side, then we're finished, and then we'll add the braid to make the ponytail. Then you'll see how I created the style on the ponytail. And you know, the favorite part of the finishing is making the baby hairs. So we're gonna do that pretty soon too. Another tip for you guys, when you're doing a ponytail, always use a rat tail comb that has fine teeth, where the teeth are really close, so that when you swoop the hair with it, you get a very smooth, sleek finish. You will not see any kind of waves, or the hair will not curl together or anything like that. Or when you're using a hairbrush, you know you have to brush it more than once to get it really sleek. That's why I prefer to use a comb to sleek down my hair, my client's hair, to get it really smooth. Okay guys, so sleek down is finished, edge is done, and this is a technique I'm using to get the braided ponytail on, because her hair is long and has a high density. So this is what I did. I created 3 braids, and I'm measuring the braiding here now to see what amount would cover those plaits. And I used those elastics that came with the braid to attach the braiding hair to her hair. And then when you're doing this, guys, you have to see to it that before you start the braid, you section the braid in here in 3 parts. So this is what I'm doing right here. I'm doing the section and I'm testing to see if the 3 sections are equal, because you know they need to be equal so that your plait can be neat. And then I place it over the plait that I created to make sure that it is covered inside the braiding here. So it's just like doing a tuck method. I'm tucking the plait into the braiding here so it's not visible. And then you take your time, braid it down, and I'm gonna tease it to create a little butterfly look on the plait. Not too much, just a little. And guys, I'm using 2 packs of 50-inch expression braid color 1B, which matches her hair color, and the 2 packs will give me a nice braided plait down, because she wanted her plait to be butt length. And the thickness, you know, you have to use more braiding here than when you're doing a regular ponytail. So she wants it thick, going right down to her butt, or maybe a little bit below her butt. So I'm teasing the plait. So this is how I did it, guys. See, not too much teasing, and it's really neat and nice, because we don't want the braid, the ponytail, to be too much fuzzy or too much blunt ends sticking out. So that's why I'm not teasing the plait too much. Now, the idea that I had in my head to create the pattern to wrap on the ponytail, this is what I'm doing now. So I'm making an extra long small plait, because I'm gonna wrap it way down. This is it, guys. So this is it now. Here I go. I'm wrapping the plait right there. So that's the start of it. I don't know how I came up with this idea, but I was just trying to be creative, and it did came out looking well. And for the rest of the plait, I'm using my crochet needle to push it through the braiding here to create the pattern going right down. So pay attention, guys, so you can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. You see the hard parting, guys, with the zigzag, and the braided ponytail with the pattern. Trust me, this is so cute. Leave your comments below telling me what you think about it, and if you want your stylist to try it on you. Thank you so much for watching.